Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Javian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we will see in this session why we need data warehouse, and also we will see advantage and disadvantage of data warehouse. So first of all, we will see the advantage of data warehouse. Data warehouse allows business users to quickly access critical data from some sources all in one place. The second one is your data warehouse provides consistent information on various cross functional activities. It is also supporting ad hoc reporting and queries. It means it also support the temporary reporting and query. Data warehouse helps to integrate many sources of data to reduce stress on the production system. Data warehouse helps to reduce total turnaround time for analysis and reporting. So we can say that the data warehouse is managing our time, which is very important to retrieve the data from the database. So data warehouse is a technology which will help to retrieve the data in efficient manner. So restructuring and integration make it easier for the user to use for reporting and analysis. Data warehouse allows users to access critical data from the number of sources in a single place. Therefore, it saves users time of retrieving data from multiple sources. Data warehouse stores a large amount of historical data. This helps users to analyze different time periods and trends to make future prediction. Here is the some disadvantage of data warehouse. Not an ideal option for unstructured data. That means it has no uh, ideal mechanism for unstructured data, because unstructured data has no uh, there is no any pattern, and we can say that it has unpredictable, and um, because unstructured data is your audio, video, photos. Creation and implementation of data warehouse is surely time confusing affair. Data warehouse can be outdated relatively quickly. It's difficult to make changes in data types and range, data source, schema, indexes, and queries. So the data warehouse may seem easy, but actually it is too complex for the average users. Despite best effort at project management, data warehouse project scope will always increase. Sometime warehouse users will develop different business roles. Organizations need to spend lots of their resources for training and implementation process. So what is the future of data warehousing? Changing and regularity constraint may limit the ability to combine sources of disparate data. These disparate sources may include unstructured data, which is difficult to store. As the size of the databases grows, the estimates of what constitutes a very large database continue to grow. It is complex to build and run data warehouse systems, which are always increasing in size. The hardware and software resources are available today do not allow to keep a large amount of data online. In multimedia, data cannot be easily manipulated as text data, whereas textual information can be retrieved by the relational software available today. This could be a research subject. So, data warehouse can help the in multimedia data, by which it manipulate as text data, whereas textual information can be retrieved by the relational software available today. Here is some data warehouse tools like MarkLogic. MarkLogic is useful data warehouse solution that makes data integration easier and faster using an array of enterprise features. This tool helps to perform very complex search operation. It can query different types of data like documents, relationship, and metadata. Oracle is the industry leading database. It offers a wide range of choice of data warehouse solution for both on premises and in the cloud. It helps to optimize customer experiences by increasing operational efficiency. Amazon Redshift is also in the market for data warehouse. So thank you class. It is all about this session. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below.